It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time!
Good morning. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Can you hear me? All right, we back. I don't know what happened. Somehow the connection with Twitch, because I think YouTube was still running. The connection with Twitch was dropped or something. Good morning. Well, you guys got to see some of the intro. Shout out to Buzz. That was a surprise, right? You guys want to hear it again? It's pretty funny, right? Happy Tuesday. Yeah, you see all kinds of things going on in the background. I don't know what's... Oh, that's what's showing. You're showing your chat. I was trying to get Agar looking better so you had the CVD on there. There we go. But it wasn't working. 48 hours are up, calling noob. Oh my gosh, you've been up for 40 hours? What are you doing? Good morning, Jack and Bach. Fibmath. Mark. Crispy. PSG, stand up. Calling noob, shout outs to you. Hope everything's well. Red Zero, Jupy, Raptorist, Pipeline, 83rd. How are you doing? Zuluk, Damon, let's go. Buzzo, big cheers, dude. Yeah, that thing hits. Ready. Shouts to you, brother. Two, I am nothing. How's it going? Hakan. Pipeline. Maybe Band-Aid. How are you doing, brother? Good morning. Latisse. Things going better today, bro? Pedro. How you doing, brother? Flank Sinatra. Let's get it. Big cheers, Damon. Ace. Ace, 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 ace. Hope all is well, dude. Alster. Xbit. Saeed. Bergix. How are you doing? Chester. Jay Becker. Il Pasoto. Coke Zero. Stand up. 32 months. Let's go. Shouts to you, bro. He juicing. Big cheers. Manaka. Maestro. Happy 420. Rap Tourist. Kimba AI. Shouts to you. And Glitch. Cytilix. Crypto Craze. Big cheers. Big cheers, everybody. Happy the Chads that been laying down some tracks. I know, dudes. I know. That whole thing just got me discombobulated. Well, well, well. We had a little sweep. ETH did not. We were talking about that little 4100, 4110 area. It almost went there, but it was golden pocket. That was pretty nice. Check Aster. Oh, Lord. Are you in it heavy, Coke, or are you just like playing? You got your meme shorts on Bonk, Hazy. Hopefully it juiced up. Yanthro, let's go. Rhea Johnson, how you doing? Alster, looks like a trident. It could be a trident at this point. We were talking about, like, I don't think so yesterday, but it looks like that could be the setup for one. Yeah. Yeah, so you got a low, you got a sweep. Yeah, retest somewhere around there. It might be somewhere like there. Like that. But this whole like 111 and change, high 111s, has been pretty good to us. You know, you see all this. And it goes all the way back. It's the SR level. But 110 is a little bit more important. So if we hold this, then we're looking a lot better. We need to change structure, like I was saying yesterday. I need to get out of here. I was saying, like, catch up. Yeah, we got those shorts are still holding down here. The longs are kind of not. Maybe a little bit came in. I'll pull up XO in a second. Good morning to YouTube. How are you doing? Anatomy, Superman, Bobby Toxic Pedals. Shout outs to you guys. Christoph, Joe Rose, welcome to Lion Cub. Sir Khan, welcome to Lion Cub. Dolcom, let's get it. Chimp, Stream Elements. Nico. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. Yeah, I agree. Maybe Band-Aid. I agree. The timing, though. The timing. Your heavy mid. I mean, on a brand new listed coin, like any kind of thing more than very small is rather aggressive. I know you know what you're doing, though, brother. I hope you juice up. I'm sitting here hoeing. just pulling up big gammas from yesterday. Okay, let's look at Aster. We didn't even look at Mix. I'm not gonna do like a bazillion meme coins today, but we can look at Aster. We're gonna do the majors today. I'm not gonna be able to stay as late today. The math is the math. Held that. In the 1 hour, yeah. It held that low that we were talking about. Like at worst, you want a swing fail, right? And it held it. That's juice. What's your targets? Maybe a extension. 250. I mean, like $2 resistance, 250. The next target, I don't know, 1.25, 220. I don't know if we can trust all this. There's a lot of longs, it looks like. If this is pulling it in, I don't know anywhere else that might be getting open interest data. Good morning, Ludo. Yeah, 1.25, 1.618. I hear you, Coke Zero. Are you in spot or you're in perps? Hasta la vista, sweet pie. On this, maybe. Saguru. Lahoos, good morning. How are you? 22nd, 12 o'clock high is fuck all. Take that before going down. Are you talking about on this one? Grim, COC, how we doing? Alster. Yeah, it could be an M-top. I don't know. These, like, new coins, man, it's discovery. Oh, yeah. It's, like, right there. I mean, this is more exciting right now, probably, than Biddy. We've been sat in, like, $1,000 range for the past 24 hours. Other than that little clean that we had last night. We're prepared. This thing is kind of fun, though. Stand up if you're playing this one. Grim, I'm good. I hope you are as well. Yeah, Coke, I feel you. I feel you. Juice up, brother. Hazy, did you juice up? On your meme shorts, or there it was like a KIMBA Airlines. Tershad, you're watching for pullback on this? 1.3. Yeah, if you got it in on this, like, that's a big, big move since last night. That's ridiculous. 50%. I don't even have any indicators on. Why did I turn everything off? Oh, my levels. Uh-oh. I think I need to reboot the layout. I might have left it on overnight or something. No. Get out of here. All right, I got another trick up my sleeve. Not that the levels are super important on Aster for weekly and monthly VWAPs. We'll pull an anchor though for right now. I mean, it's pretty. That's pretty nice from that low. Yeah, flip it. SR flip, then the bands. Here we go. Here we go, pushing that high. How far will it go? Or is it just gonna be like a little f-f? Drogen, let's go. Yeah, we need some jams, don't we? Let's get it. There you go, Drogen. Drogi, how are you doing? Good morning. This one is for Drogi. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Start over. You got it? Drogi, let's go. Hit him with the D. Quit playing with me. Buzzo, you want to see Litecoin? Yeah. I was just kind of like locked in on Aster. I'm not trading it. I just thought it was interesting since a lot of Lions and Coke Zero are trading it. Ghost G, how we doing? Insistence. Fixed 33%. Yo, that's good. That's good. LTC. Failed auction. It's just sitting in this range. We need to get up there. Start trading this single print. It'll look better. Break out of value. Is this for the whole? Is it for the whole day? Oh, it's just like... It went pretty deep. I don't remember the targets that we were talking about on this one. I didn't draw it on this layout. Yeah, it swept. That's nice. Yeah, I need to get it back above this. It's fighting at that 106 level. Yeah, I'm gonna go from impulse. It's lining up like where you kind of would expect it anyways. And it cleaned this. Buzz. Are you in a long on it? Good morning, Insistence. How are you doing? That's great. I'm glad to hear it. Yeah, every morning is a great morning. Blessed. Blessed. Good morning to Turn Matt. You're eyeing it, Buzz? Okay. Litecoin always goes hard when it first goes. Yeah. A lot of the altcoins are going to do that. Alright, let's see. Yeah. Weekly VWAP. Let's see it from the low. Let's see if it makes any difference drawing it from here. Yeah, that's pretty nice right there. I mean, it's like right where daily VWAP is. How about from the, not really any difference. And that retest was nice. That's probably the 05. Yeah, it held the 05. And this is from this morning. It held previous day value and pretty much completed a rotation. Pretty close to it. Yeah. Wick, hold value, trade outside, trade back inside, rotate through, above previous day value area. Sorry, previous day point of control. PDEQ is like way up there. It doesn't even have anything to do with the value area. But yeah, that was a little rotation. I mean, pretty damn close to it. Yeah, and I don't have TPO on this chart. If you want to, well, I'm gonna do it on the other. It might have been a full rotation on TPO. It's gonna be close either way. No, the TPO value area is way up there. But 80% play is what I'm talking about. Aster swing failure. Yeah, let's check it right around 9:30. No, I am not. I'm neither. I'm Sprite Zero, Drogi. I'm a Sprite drinker. But just pure Sprite. Yeah, how are you doing? It's been a while since I've seen you, bud.
KIMBA gang made another one.
Digibite.
Juice on me now. Levels got me floating.
Digibite. All right. Well, let's like chart Litecoin for Buzzo. Shouts to Buzzo. He's holding it down. He made me a new intro. He's like holding down the chat. He needs to be juicing. Yeah, we gotta hold the point of control, Buzz. Yeah, we kind of are starting to break structure down here, though. We got a low. Well, a low, a high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high right here. And then we're still making a higher high than that. So that's like kind of good. It's getting there. Yeah, if you can't see that.
I wait for levels to react. Open interest, love how it act. Volume build when I attack. Orders get filled, checkbook.
Yeah, it's holding that VWAP.
No stress, just runs.
Yeah, it's a higher low.
Market move, I don't jump. I just let us and get it done.
So a higher low, higher high, barely. And then maybe kind of flipping this. Just like based on structure, I would like try to look for something like that. VWAP or TDO 1062. Maybe a little deeper to daily open. I think that's where the POC was. If it's gonna bounce, or if it's not gonna like just go. We just rejected from value area high and point of control. But give it till 9:30 and probably the initial balance.
Juice and my levels, we never settle. Math gon' hold it down.
Yeah, that's 05 also.
Juice and my
I like that.
yeah. Blunt smoke, I'm clever. Yeah. As long as I got juice and my levels. Juice and my levels.
Yeah, this is like not really that great through here. So the golden pocket pullback, like KIMBA box, it's nothing wrong with that. And so you have the clean of this little bit of, I mean, at this point it's strength, but they are weak lows. They clean that up, hold this. You have a great low down here. That went deep. And this is a TPO good low. It's set for Bitcoin. Yeah, you got two ticks, and this is pretty big tick size. I know it's not very visible. There you go. Despite the TPO profile, I think that high is not that bad. Those are pretty large tick sizes. Did you miss it? We have not looked at ETH already. Actually, we looked at it for like 10 seconds. And I said, this is what we were looking at yesterday. The pullback. It pulled back right to the golden pocket. And clean those bad lows. It was pretty good. Alright, we got 1 minute. I forgot to turn all my iPads on. We got nobody here today. LTC is waiting on the approval of ETF. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that would be one that I would expect before. Like, what was that other one that somebody was talking about last week? I would expect to see like an ADA ETF, just like kind of a boomer coin. And a lot of people have been like holding it forever. Or a LTC, you know, some of those like older big cap coins, at least they used to be. More sooner than like whatever we were talking about. Yeah, Lahosk, let's go. You can check it, I think. It might have been me, dude. Big cheers. Yeah, welcome. Chab Superstar, run it. How are we doing? MEXC83. Jesse Papink. Ilpa Soto. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. There's that NPOC down there. Yeah. It was. From July. Grabbed it. Or bounced from it. Yeah, it's like less about grabbing like a level, it's more like bouncing from the level. That's how I think of it. Like, to clarify what I mean, like you see like these naked pointed controls projecting outward, that's like the highest volume traded. So if you have like a ball bouncing, you want like somewhere that you had the most activity occurring. And so like that's natural for like value areas or like bigger areas of the profile to be support or resistance when we come back to them. Yeah, there's a whole lot down below too. What does it matter? Let's go look over on our boomer markets. Lord, this is up only forever. This is the shit coin. Like, forget about Aster Cook Zero. Just buy and buy and buy and buy. Yes. Juice in your levels, best version. Yeah, let's go, Hazy. Yeah, shout out to you, Buzzo. Yeah, I think if Bitcoin pulls back, you know, it looks like, is that no gap? It's not even showing up yet. What are you doing? TradingView is hoeing. Nobody's. Oh yeah, there's the gap. What am I talking about? Gap up, bullish. Bad high right here. We opened below previous day value area high. Trading above it now. Need to close outside of it. Let's see where index opened. Yep, that 6,700 is strong. Oh, really? It almost tapped it, didn't it? Shoutouts to whoever was like, it's gonna reject at 66.97. It's 66.99. That's a big gamma that was up there. I'm sure it's gonna remain for the week. 66.75 looks pretty good, I think. 67.05 looks huge right now, but that can all change. Yeah, 67.05 is the biggest. And then 66.50, I think. But it, you know where we is. Juice forever. Rate cuts. MEXC 83, let's go. Insistence. No Diabito. Morty, shouts to you. Thank you for the resub. Danny Bolat, good morning, brother. Thank you so much. Big cheers. Amazing. You juicing? He juicing. XC9, yeah. End of year like Slayer. Shit, end of the week maybe. Shit. Danny Bolat, thank you, brother. If you were blessed by a sub from your boy, Danny Bolat, thank the man. He's sharing the love, and he juicing. Much love, dude. You want to see anything, Danny? We're just looking at some Litecoin and just jumped over here. We're gonna look at ETH in a minute and Sol. Anything else that you'd like to see? Oh, we already TA'd Aster. I don't know if you're like into that one. Owner Zara, how are you doing? Yeah, we will. We haven't looked at it yet. Saguru, not on Binance, no sweep yet. Yeah, you know what's coming. Yeah, infinite money glitch on S&P. Mark, right? He making it rain. Insistence. Let's go, dude. Michael Rose Music, how are you? A little look at XRP, okay. Danny, you want to see anything? Bravo, good morning. Curvies, how you doing? Zach. Mediocre. Yeah, big cheers. Is this dip the tip? Dip the tip in the old gap? It's not really dip the tip if it's like already been dipped in. But we could start trading into it. And whatever, but I would place more emphasis, because since we already traded up in here, until we start making a higher high, I'd place more emphasis on the value area and point of control from yesterday, and then previous day VWAP. And S&P, like, what are you gonna do, man? I'll get back on ES. It's going to like 60, 10, 100. Gosh, do. Yeah, big cheers, Danny. Shout out to PSG. Much love to you all. Grinding, grinding, grinding. Forever. Sebs, let's go. Alright. So Sol and ETH are the next ones on the list. We'll come back to this. We're like 5 minutes in. We didn't even get predictions in this morning. I got thrown off by that whole like drop call thing. You know I'm the boomer that talks on my flip phone, and you know people hang up on me and I still keep talking for like a minute and then like hello, hello, hello. Pals Vista, today? What time? Dead Claws. Thursday looked like it was the big vola day, or the big numbers day for us. We got unemployment and GDP. That's the big one, I think. We'll get our plans in place tomorrow, and then maybe I'll come early. If I come early, I won't be able to stay as long. Maybe I'll like come early and do the initial balance. It's getting released at 8:30, isn't it? I know that unemployment is, but GDP. Pal speaks. We got a bunch of speakers today. 12:35. Let me make sure this is like on my time. Yeah. So like 3 hours from now, Powell. Yeah, 8:30. Yeah, maybe I'll like show up like 15 minutes before or something, and we'll just like kind of get prepared. Make an adjustment in the dashboard. As long as the team is ready, just in case. Shout out to y'all. This morning was a little bumpy. It's always bumpy with me, dudes. Scaff, let's go. Big cheers to YouTube. Good morning. Trump speaks in 8 minutes. PMI. PMI, really? Powell could be interesting. Yeah, could be. Wait, do we have FOMC minutes tomorrow? No. No, there's no red folders tomorrow. Somebody was saying that. Wednesday, October 1, maybe? When are they going to release their minutes? Yeah, I can't like sit here on stream and like look it up. Anybody want to do the homework? And yeah, Forex Factory. Yeah, it's usually a week or two. And it didn't look like it was on the 1st or even next week. Wait, this week. It's not on Wednesday. Maybe it's on Thursday. No, I didn't see that. That's the only red folders I saw for this week. Talking red folders on Forest Factory. A little fufa on the open. That's a bad high on S&P. Yeah, and we were talking about this level breaking out possibly, and it was like a SR flip, and it retested it. Just keeps on doing it over and over and over again. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, just enough to like wipe out some, you know, some of these late positions, and then just higher and higher. That is not my like ultimate bias, so don't just be like, it's just astonishing to see it move this way. What is so hilarious are the people that were like calling for it to all be over at the beginning of the year in April. Yeah, manipulation for show. For show. I know, Hazy. I know. We've been saying that for a while though. Alright, we're gonna look at Sol and ETH. And then XRP, and then you know, I'm not gonna go down the whole list. I want to like kind of focus a little more on Bitcoin and stuff today. Alright, ETH first, even though I have it over here already. Shoutouts to CoinWise, shoutouts to the dashboard. Check the dashboard for the stream schedule. It may be changing a little bit for Thursday, and we have a talent show viewing party today. It should be a good time. You know, I'm adapting for that red folder morning on Thursday. That's gonna be the big one for this week, it looks like. So yeah, just keep an eye out on there. Keep an eye on the Discord. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation dashboard. You see some of the exchanges and tools that we use from the dashboard. Discord is amazing. It's #1 Discord for anywhere, ever. In all seriousness, it is fucking goated. So big shout outs to all the people that participate in the Discord. They're contributing, learning, juicing. Good day, Jaskier. Good day, bruh. Yeah, big cheers to Buzzo. Alright, for ETH, we were talking about this level kind of being a little bit ugly. It might get cleaned up, and it did. It did right into market close, and then it got cleaned again. They wanted a little bit more. And we had identified like the 4100 area as being important. This 4061 is from like way back, I think. But the 4100 to like 4120 was a pretty important area for like a long time. It was like the kind of the last year's highs and early year highs before we made this push. And like way back here. That's where I came up with that. It wasn't like out of the blue. And I cleaned it up. And Binance, it went a lot deeper than Coinbase did. Binance. Yeah, went all the way to 4,000 on Binance. Twitch and Greg, shouts to you. Oh, big cheers, brother. Thank you so much. Good morning. Hey, Juice, and if you just got Blessed by a sub from Twitching Greg. Thank you, boy. Big cheers, Twitching Greg. Thank you, brother. You want to see anything? Yeah, big cheers, big shout outs to anybody who's generous enough to share the love. Generous enough. Much love. Yeah, okay, so we pulled a fib on this as well. And this is actually the chart, I think, or it might have been Sol, but it was the same theory. When somebody was asking a question about fibs, I know that you would like now draw it to there, but at that point in time, we were drawing it to here and it went to the golden pocket. If you lock it, like, I think it's not locked. It was like almost to the pixel, and Binance it was, I think. Can't remember if I drew it on there, but yeah, it's golden pocket. It's still holding, and it's a higher low. I mean, in that structure, it's wanting to be a trident, but it's not. Like, it could still do a trident there, but it's like it isn't. It isn't. That was a swing fail. Gotta load. I need to like do something about this. Yeah, in Coinbase, it swept this by like a few cents. It swept it by a few cents. In Binance, it swept it by like $60. So it was like a proper clean in Binance. And that's what we were talking about. Like that has a higher probability of holding. And it, in addition, it flushed out like 400 million in liquidations. Let's go, Twitching Greg. Yeah, that's amazing. That's right. Spreading the love, pay it forward. Let's go. Castillo, what hours am I usually on? Usually market open until KIMBA returns. Yeah, like probably gonna have to like be a little bit less time coming up real soon. Yeah, they gave me a lot of time off of work, and I had to like kind of start going back in the office a couple days for a few hours. So it's like I might be missing a little bit or changing the schedule some for market open. May not be able to do it every single day, but I'm gonna do it as much as I can, and then definitely as much as we're able to for the red folder days. Yes. Wait, for the Fed speaks? No, I'm not gonna be here that long. I don't expect a lot, honestly, from the Fed talks. To say that, and we're gonna get like some gigantic action. If things go crazy this afternoon or something, and it just is like nuking, because pumping, like, we already have plans for that. We have plans if it bounces, like for ETH, we need to get back above like 4220 and start closing outside value area. We get in that single print, we have some levels identified for potential resistance on the way back up. We already looked at this area up here. If it really starts juicing, that's an area that could be resistance when we get back up there. Maybe as far up as this. But, you know, we've been saying it for like 3 weeks, even before this whole move happened, that this move, and we were talking about it before even like the 4900 at some point. But 4500 was always a pivot. 45, 4600, 40, like that whole zone. You just need to get above like 4500 and things will look a lot better. Yeah, and right here we kind of did it. I know this is sloppy because I have every indicator on the planet. So there's your value area low. Down here. So clean the inefficiency maybe. But you're gonna slam right into a lot of people that were entering up there. Let them out. That's like kind of your rationale for that being resistance. For immediate term, you might clean the single print, come up to this consolidation. But if we come back, if we get out of this, I would look for a bounce. You know, coming back and like bouncing somewhere around here, and then going. But we got to get above this with closes, like more than just like a 5-minute close. It's doing what it needs to at this point. It flushed out a ton. People had to chase, and it's holding right now, holding important mathematical levels and structural and volume levels. So it's doing okay. That's the next step if it bounces. If it nukes though, then I might hop back on. IKB, big cheers. Big cheers. Thank you for the resub. Let's go. Yeah, for ETH, lower targets if like it ends up coming back down. We kind of talked about all the way down to like this area. And I know I've TA'd it like many times, but I keep like erasing everything off my chart. If it comes back down, I kind of like would think about maybe this consolidation into that naked point of control. Kind of like that probably. So it's like $75. That's not that bad. You really don't want to start like accepting back down there. Yeah, so if we have any kind of like trading even down into like I think if it gets below this, like that's not like a swing fill anymore. It's like that's deep. We've already like had some chances, but it did make a higher high on the high time frame. Hide everything. It's pretty clean. Yep. Maybe like that area. I kind of like that. Right before we broke out from there. Maybe like that. Well, that whole value area is okay. You just don't want to get all the way down there.
You said copy me, but you spazzing out. Panicking live, trying to figure it out. Your levels ain't clean, no math on your chart.
Damon,
Just vibes and cap, that's not
I don't know, dude.
I trusted, I followed your lead. Now I'm down looking at my feed.
Probably small. Small. If we get a swing fail of like on real S&P of 6,700, probably. I'm just not trying to hold it like hold a short until fucking 7,000 or something. But yeah, Yeah, I like the 3860. I like 1860 a lot better, but you gotta trade what you can get, right? And a lot of people holding, like I have ETH too, but I wouldn't mind like stacking up some more. If it gets all the way down there, though, it's like not a good thing. Not bold enough to long this. I know. Yeah. Solana. Are we still trading in this box? We bounced at it before. Oh, it cleaned it. I haven't even opened the Solana chart yet. Yeah, but I said this whole zone. Now that we had that low, I'm like looking for a clean of that. Honestly, if it comes out though, don't just like wait. Don't wait if we start flipping this into support, like maybe like the point of control from down here. Get above weekly VWAP. If this happens, really if that happens, do not be waiting for this low because it might not be coming. Yeah, you got divs.
You screenshot, you flex online, but I know a real trade when I see the signs. You ain't show no risk, no zone, no plan. You moving like you don't even understand. Say you up, but you never explain. So why I'm the one feeling
There's your low. CVD, full div, regular. It looks exaggerated. It is a higher low, and then definitely a higher low than here, even though it's a lower low on this whole run. You had a lot of longs just came in. I guess they all got stopped out. A lot of shorts got TP'd or stopped out, I guess. TP'd. There we go. Yeah, a lot of longs got cleaned out. Let's see where it is based on where we started. How it's going now. It's almost, yeah. It's almost a reset. And on open interest, it's lower than it was. Yeah, I wouldn't base it open interest for this one. But for CBD, it's looking alright. Just gotta have Biddy break back out. Everything's going to, especially if S&P keeps juicing. Yeah, Damon. Aster just SFP'd. Yeah, I would probably look for that sweep down here. You know, maybe grab, or maybe bounce from the single print, maybe grab it. I mean, it's like a few cents, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, don't get stopped out of the single print. It's like 4 cents. Shout out to CoinWise. It's so nice seeing the single prints on this chart and being able to chart anything. Like, Trading Light was cool. I still have it. And it's nice, like, some of the things that it can do. But we can get, like, so much more crammed in on TradingView. And on top of that, the CoinWise indicators are just, like, they're juice. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Big shout outs to y'all. Cool ass team over there. Working hard. Yeah. Try out their pro indicators. That's what I'm using. That's what's on the KIMBA away screen. But they're juice though. Yeah, give them a shot. It's a 14-day free trial, and then they have like a deal. I think that's still going on. But go in the Discord. Go in the Discord. That's juice. All right, let's see this Aster.
He on tilt, I sip my tea. Don't come back, that's victory. We don't stress, we let it be. Cause profits land naturally.
How far did it go? Oh, it's not a swing fail. What are you talking about? Quit playing with me. It's going to the 1.25. Right, Coke? Which office? God of mercy. I have like 50 of them, dude. Is that what you're asking about? Like having to go back into like for real work? Sucks, man. Yeah, one of my jobs, like that's one of the things that I'm not like. I support all of you who are Lituche enjoyers. I'm not really any longer. I like work for a corporation for some things. Yeah, somehow Kimba's able to like leverage himself into not having to worry about it, but I'm a nobody. I'm sober as a judge. I don't mind it though. I like being able to think. I'm always nerding out. And that's just how I do. No judgment. CZ is planning the Aster. Yeah. I know. I mean, like, dude, he's got the formula for it, doesn't he? He's done it enough. Him and his homies. OG, yeah. Shout outs to you, Lua Bambua. Kimba OG. Lua Bambua is a Kimba OG as well. ETH breakdown. Well, Aster's sucking all the liquidity out of the market. It's the future of finance. Isn't it? That's math and data. You can't mess with data. I don't know. Is it breaking down? Like, dude, it's still like within $2. Yeah, you had a swing fail above this level. That's not the greatest thing. You need to get above it. It's still like, you start losing VWAP for one. I will remind you that we have quarterly and monthly options and weekly options on Deribit on Friday morning. It's like 8 UTC, something like that, I think. Yeah, I know what time it's happening here. Yeah, I think it's 8 UTC. Yeah, and on Bitcoin, it's like, it's huge. I don't remember what it was on ETH, but I can imagine it's pretty huge. Corolla lover, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's low volume. After all that, it's like this type of volume. Nobody gives, like, yeah, like, it took one buy order and it like bounced. It'll just do what Bitcoin's gonna do. Bitcoin's looking okay. Oh, Trump said something. He probably said Bitcoin or something. Is he on? Thanks, Switching Greg. Big cheers to you. That's right. That's right. I mean, that's the most important thing. That's number one. Juicing with my lines is number two. And then going surfing is distant. But it's still in there. It's still in the conversation. Yeah, a few more 100 times. Kirby's, shout outs to you. I'm not turning Trump's speech on. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't want to break anything. I'll catch it up. I'll catch up on it on Twitter later. It's either that or PMI was good. Final services PMI. That was that for Europe? Oh no, it was USD. That wasn't live. That didn't happen 20 minutes ago. Bostic is on too. Flash services PMI came in a 1/10 of a point below. So that was a big mess. And then Flash manufacturing PMI came in 2/10 under. Oh, a big mess. It's over. Yeah, I think like the Trump thing maybe, and then maybe the Powell thing later. That's our best chances. Yeah, Nvidia's been juicing, huh? Corolla Lever. How's Disney doing? I was like playing that like last year. Who's playing Disney? I don't even know where it is on my like. There we go. In my stonks. Oh, somebody got filled. That's a bad low. That's nice though. Get out of here. It's doing the same thing everything else is. Oh, and it held that. Stonks. That's looking heavy. But, you know, get out of this value. Things are okay. It's absorption. Yeah, it's not exactly what you want to see when the S&P is like just continuing to blast at all-time highs. But it's the end of the quarter. Yeah, I might clean some of this at some point. Like, that's a gigantic gap. Not really, it's like a couple percent.
Useless Lines Records.
Look at that's a big gap. That's your gap. Oh man.
I said, whole lot of damn juice. Playing with me.
I'm guessing that was like earnings day or something. Yeah. All right, is this it? Is this the one? We're gonna clean these bad highs. How's our Aster coin doing? Curvies. Yeah, a whole lot of goose. Disney, Curvies, Disney did? Or Nvidia did? Yeah, that's what it was. I think I saw you posting about it in the afternoon. That's juice. Really want to see the RTH reaction. Look at that. Let's see what this does really fast, and then we'll look at Nvidia and CME. Yeah. You know what that means, Monday. How are we doing? Good morning. Yeah. It gave you time though. Still. Yeah, and it also like tried to really stop out those people that got in on the first one. Like little sweeps. Yeah, I feel you. Quit playing with me. It doesn't look like Binance swept this little. Oh, it kind of did, I think. Yeah, by like a couple like cents.
Useless lines records.
Yeah, Binance did also. Right here.
I said whole lot of damn juice. Quit playing with me, KIMBA gang.
All right, we'll come back to this. I need to see Aster. It's just interesting.
KIMBA gang, who juicing gang, PSG gang, KIMBA gang.
Uh-oh. But it did close that hourly above, so that's like kind of a good indication that it might even have that push with volume. So regardless of this holding or not, like that was telegraphed by this close up here. I would have been surprised if they just like rolled over from that. And that's using volume with your structure. Yeah, what about relative volume? Yeah, a whole lot of everything. Selling and buying. A lot of open interest coming in. Look at that. Jesus, top longs. Talunok, how are you? Welcome. Exclamation welcome for Talunok. Blaze Alec, let's go. Pretty sure Monday. Maybe. Maybe. We kind of want to like get out of here if we're bullish, but yeah, that candle is not looking so nice. So you're feeling like this? Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Maybe. Golden pocket value area low. You really don't want to make it all the way down there. You kind of need a whole, like, maybe clean this. That's... I know you don't want to hear it because you want like a lower entry. I really used to think that way as well. But you want to like kind of stay up here. You're gonna have a meatier move than if it comes down here. Like you're then risking, or there's a higher probability of it like kind of especially if like that part happens, because then you're like under VWAP, you're under like, that's volume value area, even if that's previous day value area. Yeah, we hold somewhere up here, and I think TPO is somewhere like in here. This is the end of playlist.
Got joy all day, got joy all night. Kachoy is the way. Kachoy is the vibe. Kachoy. Sato long, that's kachoy. Sato short, that's kachoy. Sheesh. Dippo to his bag, kachoy. That's kachoy. That's kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. That's
Kachoy.
Kachoy. Baby kachoy. Sato, that's a kachoy. Bottom short kachoy.
Do we have music?
Top long kachoy. Kachoy. That's kachoy. Kachoy.
Yeah, nice.
Kachoy
Nice.
on them hoes.
111.6.
Kachoy on the daily. I'm kachoy.
I know y'all. I forgot to turn all my iPads on this morning.
Kachoy if you hate me. Kachoy.
Nobody's excited anymore.
I'm kachoy. Kachoy with me, baby. Kachoy. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
We're gonna hate the player and the game.
I'm kachoy. It's kachoy, baby. Kachoy. It's kachoy, baby. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long.
Testnet juice.
Kachoy. That's kachoy. Kachoy.
Let's go, Rafa. Appreciate that. We just like went up on 7 viewers. That's juice. Illskill, thank you for the resub.
That's kachoy. Kachoy.
Biddy
Kachoy
scam
on
pump.
them hoes.
Maybe.
All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. Market makers. Kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long. Market short.
A Candles Flicker song.
Market maker.
I was like looking for it.
That's kachoy. Kachoy. Baby kachoy.
I don't know.
Do it as a kachoy. Bottom short kachoy. Top long kachoy.
Biddy scam pump Latisse. Let's go.
Kachoy on them
Mr. Edmond. Let's go. Yeah, maybe hidden orders. Wrong person. Let's go. Look at this candle. I told you, man. People are shorting Aster, and it's dragging Biddy down. The sarcasm. I'm like, don't like play that clip on social media for how far Kimba's stream has fallen. Actually, clip that and like make sure you keep the last part in. It'll be really funny for clout. Yep, clean that. And it's still inside. Like, dude, you guys gotta get out of previous day value. And we got 10 minutes on the initial balance. Let's do an initial balance prediction. For the 10 people that are still here. IB candle. So like in 10 minutes it's coming up. It's not actually the IB candle, it's after the IB, but I don't like want to think too hard with posting this. Just get your poll points in. It's for the 10:30 candle. Aster, help me! Twitching Gray, let's go. It does show who clearly wants this. They're grinding, asking questions. I'm grinding, trying to do the best that I can for you. Nitrogen, go, go, go. Yep, get your predictions in. 10K on, I don't know, green maybe? Let's go. Wiztard, tell me what Aster Coin does. Tell me what 90% of these shit coins do. They are literally all that. But it is a vehicle to trade. And I don't mean by Bugatti, it is a investment vehicle. Yeah, we've had that discussion before. Like, how many of you guys are actually using crypto for something other than buying Molly online or minting NFTs? Not that many, other than trading it. Yeah, thanks. I'm just like talking about Molly and NFTs, right? Nitrogen, big cheers. But anything is worth what people are willing to pay, and that's what a market is. Like Tesla is a different story because, like, you know, like it's kind of almost like a culture for these people. But I mean, a lot of people trade stocks. Like, dude, you might put your money in gold. How much gold do you have? Do you have like a bunch of fucking gold bars at your house? No, you have, like, you trade it, or you like get in positions on it to make money or to protect your money. Some of you might have gold bars at your house. I know Coke Zero is sitting on a golden toilet, and Danny Bolata is too. Yeah, I saw a house that had one. It's dope. Nitrogen, you do also? Let's get it. You have a bunch of gold bars, you have a gold toilet. Where TP? It's $100 bills sitting next to the toilet. Exclamation where TP. Y'all remember. Yeah. What an interesting level. Yeah, shout outs to gold. Let's look at gold. Shout out to silver. It's been like, I don't know. Let's look at gold. Oh. Oh. I mean, gold is unreal. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. What do you even say about this? We didn't stack that cheese. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Hey, them say Kimba gang to fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an island, sky high. No stress, we just get by. I did cruise, no time for lose. No way. Life too short, make I choose. We charted this middle last week, I think. It's doing the same thing S&P did. What is funny though is it juiced just as hard as S&P at the same time, and a lot of times it's decorrelated. What's Dixie doing? You're looking at the gap? Yeah, that's interesting. If it came back, I mean, like, dude, that was like big resistance. That's pretty far now though. Was it 10% almost? Gap fill is like 9% almost. Yeah. KIMBA gang. Dixie. Hey, yo, turn me up. Yeah. Dixie swept the sweep. KIMBA gang. It was like butt though. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Monster in my hand, chart going pink. Monster in my hand, but not the king. Monster in my hand, run up. Speaking of which, take note if I am saying this doesn't look that nice to me. So you got that. You kind of like more like that. It's like a selling channel almost. But it is kind of slowing down in this 96 zone. And you have a sweep. So just be mindful for any of you putting weight on Dixie. Was that FOMC day? Yeah. Yeah, we were looking at that and it traded back inside. Yeah, held that. Pretty well. It's got to get back above this for any shorters. That would be some decent confluence. Did it clean? That was a juicy candle yesterday. Didn't clean the high. I feel like it's gonna do the same thing that gold did. We're going on feelings here. I'm gonna go from the flush. You know what? I never noticed this until yesterday, but I know I showed you guys the AVAX is strong. We can look at it. Sinaloa, Sinlo How. He's been gone for a couple weeks. He's gonna be gone a little bit longer, I think. Yeah, Mark, let's get it. I need some grills. And then you get robbed out of them. Right. Yeah, that's too true. He's gonna be gone a little bit longer. We're not sure when he's gonna come back, but he'll be back. Chase, let's go. Shay's Anatomy, I'm really sorry to hear that. I feel you with the drawdown. You'll get it back. Just don't try to make it all back in one trade. And be patient. Work on your risk management. Small wins. Like, I know when you are trading smaller size, especially if you have been used to trading a little bit larger, then it's like, in a way, kind of harder to care because it's not as much juice as it was before. But focus on like the percentages and like just keeping it green. It builds up. You got it. I kind of thought that it was you over there on YouTube, Chase. I hope in life everything is going well for you. I'm glad that you're still here, brother. Stick it out. You know, keep asking questions. Discord, everything, dude. We're here. Return stream will be glorious. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. This sweep S&P is easy. Latisse, we'll look at AVAX. Adrian Russ, how are you doing? Yeah, and shout out to you, Ash. Initial balance, Ash, are you still there? Initial balance is the first hour of market open, and I'm talking about the initial balance for TradFi, and it just closed. So it opened at 9:30 New York time. In the first hour, it's kind of like value hasn't been established for the day, and we just go off of like the range for that. Some people will split it up into like a mid as well for that range, and some people will break it up even farther. I think this indicator has it. I'll go down like lower time frame just for fun. To demonstrate on something that I don't have all marked up. I'm pretty sure I have the initial balance. Yeah, I do.
KIMBA gang.
Yeah, it's blue on this chart.
Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
So that's our open.
Monster in my
I don't
hand,
know
but
if it's
not
going
the
to look all
drink.
that great on this one.
Monster in my hand,
Yes,
watch how
it
it
is.
blink.
It's okay.
Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart gon' put pink.
Maybe 5 minutes.
Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the bands. Cash. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not
Give
my
it a second.
hands. I don't need luck, I just need levels.
This is our entire initial balance. It's the entire range. The size of the initial balance can dictate or can give you some confluence for kind of the activity of the rest of the session. It can also be an area that we look at even later in the session after we establish value areas and whatnot. So that's our initial balance. It's trading within. You treat it like a value area as a range until it breaks one way or another. If it breaks and holds, that is potentially a trend day, and that's what you got. I mean, that's not a trend day, it's 5-minute candles. You just got one just like gigantic dildo yesterday. But it broke from that initial balance. Right there. Yeah, so it really, what's going on here? Oh, it's because of my tick size. That's actually the initial balance. But there's a lot of TPO strategies that are based on this. You'll see opening strategies, failed auction, opening drive, open test drive. There's a lot of cool strategies that are based on initial balance. And then, like, let's say for here, for that day, do I have an hourly? Yeah. For this day, we established initial balance, we wicked out of it, trade almost all the way to the other side of it, and it held. I bet you that's previous day volume value area. But who cares? People want to see AVAX. Yeah, it's probably previous day value area. But let's get over to AVAX.
Stack up, check the tape, Jerome speed.
Is it really decent?
Spy moving slow, but my team eating. Risk to reward.
Somebody wanted to see 8. Yeah, I mean, we were talking about that 36. It needs to get broken. Didn't. Not yet. But it's holding better than some other stuff. Yeah, we reclaimed. That was a juicy buyback after yesterday. They flushed a shitload out though. That was deep. That's a good move. Is that 20% off the low? 33%? Wow. That's shitcoins. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's like juicing right now, but it's juicing off of that. And I mean, even this little from where we could have gotten in, that's pretty nice. Yeah, and we talked about this, like the high 32s, getting out of this and turning this into support. And it did just that. So it did a whole like range rotation.
No rate cuts, no panic. Bulls, bears, we all lions, organic. KIMBA gang move, never frantic. Juiced up, I'm up, gigantic.
That's funny. It rotated through that that little range, and then came back and bounced still.
Feds ain't cutting
And then it
rates, but I'm
flipped it
still
into
ballin'.
support.
Market choppy, but my gang still callin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Power be talking, but we know we
I'm gonna put
bluffing.
it like that.
KIMBA gang lettuce, we stay puffin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'.
Yeah, but 36 is important.
No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. KIMBA gang eat,
We didn't map higher targets really.
We just need that data, then we all in. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Joycing up the charts, got them jaw dropping. Fed tryna front, but we know they flopping. Jerome talking tough, but we peep that game. Ain't no pivot yet, but my bag ain't changed. Proper risk to reward, that's the lane we claim. Charge do the talking, I don't need no fame. CPI hot, but the bid still stacking. S&P wobble, but I ain't panicking. Golden fib touch, then I'm re-racking. Pull back lights, so they buys keep clapping. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. KIMBA gang eat, we ain't stallin'. FOMC got them all crawling. We just need that data, then we all in.
That's like
no
a
rate
year.
Cuts, but I'm still ballin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Joycing up the charts, got them jaw dropping. Fed tryna front, but we know they flopping. Options got weight, I don't need no luck. Power press drop, then we run it up. They front like doves, but they moving like hawks. So I hedge my bets, gotta play with some smarts. CME too low, I ain't trusting that. Liquidity traps, I ain't touching that. BNB fake pump, so I fade that cap.
I would have just drawn the box like this
No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'.
to get some of this buying right here and that value area low. But we already bounced from there. Trying to turn that into support. Look at that candle from yesterday. Lordy. Yeah, that's bearish. AVAX is the future of finance, isn't it? This is all bad. That's bad. That's pretty funny. That low right there is like almost a pixel retest of this. Somehow I feel like I did that on the AVAX chart when we first initially did altcoins. Bought a lot of spot at 30. Shout out to you, Busalo. Big cheers. Good morning, Aritoto. How are you? AVAX ETF. South Korea is using it for a native stablecoin. Cool. Shoutouts to the AVAX enjoyers. It broke out. It's holding. AVAX is good. Yeah, I don't know about higher. Probably things are looking good. Like if you got in yesterday, unless Bitcoin like nukes, probably doing okay. $40 maybe. High time frame. I was thinking 48 maybe. But 60's been important ever since there. Probably psychological 48 to 50.
KIMBA gang, turn it up, turn it up. KIMBA gang, run it up, turn it up, turn it up.
And I'm gonna forget about that part. I'm just gonna do a profile from here. I like that. Let's just see.
juice.
Let us choose profits.
Run it up, Kimba gang, turn it up, Kimba gang, run it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Yeah, maybe like you're 7.5. So 36 is possible. Maybe like that up here though. And clean this. I got so much stuff going on this chart. Sorry guys. Really what that is, that's areas to look for possible sweeps. And if it swept up here, I would expect it to kind of like, you get retests to something like that. Like 48, I like that. If it holds above 36. Still got this, and that's like kind of where the cascade will start. People have been holding shorts for like almost a year now. That's like the final straw for reclaiming, in my opinion. We already broke structure, but like a substantial reclaim on the daily and definitely on the weekly above that, and like, and you broke out of the whole 20s already, like a week ago. Yeah. This playlist? S&P sweep is easy. Ash, did you pick that up? About the initial balance? I mean, was that a sweep on S&P? I guess maybe on index. No, it's a bad high. It's absorption at 6,700. There's like gigantic boot gammas at like 6,700 and 6,705. It's holding VWAP. Let's see if ES is holding VWAP. Daily VWAP in RTH is not holding. That's hideous. That's hideous.
Turn it up.
Is it gonna be a BART? It's pretty basically. No clean on either end. That tight. Well, I mean, it's not that tight. Yeah, it is. It's like $10 for how long? Almost 24 hours up here. That's a lot of time. Aritoto, nice. Big cheers to you. Let's go, Aritoto. Peace out, brother. 2 letters, 1 word. Let's go. We need the emote for this one. Yeah. Yeah, Latisse. He's vibing. Shoutouts Damon and PSG. Big shoutouts to CoinWise and all the tools. Shoutouts to the dashboard. Big cheers to all the mods, admins, developers, and the entire team. And big love to KIMBA and all of our exchanges. Yeah, check out the dashboard for the schedule. Thursday is going to change a little bit. Just be a little bit earlier. I'll probably be finished a little earlier also. And then today we have a viewing party for Juiciest and the talent show. So let's get it. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a juicy week. Thursday's gonna be a big day for numbers releases. And GDP and unemployment. It's like kind of the biggest one for today, or for the week. And then we got Powell speaking later today. I'm going to be wrapping up in about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes here. Make sure you check out that dashboard. Shoutouts to you, Buzzo. Much love. Shoutouts to Cypher. Shoutouts to the possibly updated game shows soon? Question mark. Yeah, get in the Discord and send submissions for the talent show. Yeah, you can get your song played. You might even make it into the stream playlist. You might even get to let me vibe out on it. Oh, what a privilege it would be for me to let you listen to your song. Yeah, it'd be cool. It'd be cool. Oh man, Mrs. Mandalo is playing with me right now. I smell pancakes. And I have so much work to do, I probably won't even be able to eat it. $2.50 on the line, that is juice. And that's not a coupon, that's like juicy money. Yeah, get it. I know, Damon. Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna probably break everything if I mute my mic.
Two letters, one word, the meaning of life. Smoking lettuce, juicing the vibe. Cool juicing, Bugatti rise. Markets moving, we taking flight.
We stack that lettuce, watch it grow. Juiced up plays, let the profits flow. Who's juicing, you already know. Bugatti profits, baby, let it show. The charts are lit, we ride the wave. No stop loss hits, just cash we save. We hit the trade, it's money made. Juicing life, that's how we're paid. Lettuce lit, we smoking clean. Juiced up life, it's a money machine. Catch the wave, stack it high. Bugatti dreams as we touch the sky. Who's juicing? It's the anthem shout. Straight in life, no fear, no doubt. From the charts to the clubs, it's all the same. Juiced up legends, play the game.
Two letters, one word, the meaning of life.
Yeah. Yeah, for real. Halloween costumes already. Let's go. Yeah, that is the meaning of life, though. For me, anyways. Big cheers. Yeah. Let's go. It's Happy Ween for her. Potential try-to play? Yes. Yeah, we kind of like talked about it a little bit, but we didn't like break it down proper. All right. Yeah, S&P needs to hold. If its swing fails, then that's cool. But we don't want to start trading that back below that consolidation. That's where we're going with all that. Well, it's cleaning this. So, potential trident play. We were talking about those being weak. It kind of cleaned that. It definitely cleaned this part of the consolidation. We're beginning to lose current value area. Previous day value area is here. Value area low. You got fib confluence aligned pretty closely with previous day value area low. Did I just get to the end of the playlist? I did. Do you have music?
KIMBA gang, we juicing up. What? Roll up, light it up.
You got music? I can't tell. I can't monitor without echo.
Static green, run it
All about the Nero, yeah, we stack it to the ceiling. Smoking on
thank
that
you, Kanye.
latest, got me higher than the building.
So we have fib confluence, we have
OG in my blunt, all these ops gon' catch the spirit.
volume
Pull up in a
confluence.
drop top, sipping on some dirty juice.
You hear the
Plug
break.
just hit my line, said he got another move. Trap still booming,
For
we
the
ain't
whole
never hit the
range.
snooze. Peso
We're
at the
maybe
peso, got
losing
my
VWAP, but
pockets
we tuck
looking
back
huge.
in. That's going to be nice.
Juicing up, we don't give a fuck. Stack
Definitely
that
like
green,
that.
like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up, juicing
That wouldn't
up.
be too shabby.
Run that money up, 100 deep, we in the cut. KIMBA gang,
But
we run
for it
up.
to be a
My
trident,
lungs, yeah, this pressure hit like Mayweather. Bitches love the gang 'cause we ballin' like
need
it's market makers.
it to
City on
kind
my
of-
back, got these streets in a chokehold. Ice up on my wrist, got me
and that's
feeling
not
like a
like
snow
it's not
globe.
really a trident
Ain't
because we
no
got
capping,
that.
this ain't
So
fiction, boy, this real life.
you know,
Started
here.
from the trenches, now my pockets looking real nice.
And I would even look at it as high up as there for this candle
100
closes.
for the fit, dripping sauce like it's
So
Aquafit.
wicking outside of value area, that would be like actually the best case scenario if it came down here. So, you know, you have kind of a low, a lower low, and then get back up. But we gotta get out and then retest it. And that's kind of like almost like an inverse head and shoulders. And some people like think of tridents as that, even though they're not. That was like the kind of FU, but there was no volume on it. That's the problem, especially compared to this. Yeah, they had more volume like yesterday afternoon. You know, obviously it happened in the middle of the night, but it didn't really like, this didn't clean that many people out. Open interest is like starting to build back up. It's not like any imbalance with it. I wonder if I have.
But they too damn slow, they can't crack the code. We're in beast mode. Stop, loss, hit, now we wait. KIMBA gang wins, it's fate. Let us smoke while the paper plates. Stack high, ain't
Hidden.
no debate. bottom, now the game is ours. Took risk, played smart, now we're counting stars. Math don't lie, we just trust the bars. Now the bank rolls thick, flexing foreign cars. While they fold like lettuce,
but that was
we roll
hidden
like kings.
up here.
Stay sharp with the moves, don't need no bling. It's a war out here, better guard your
Some
rings.
new
We
longs
stay
right
prayed
there.
up while the victory sings. This ain't luck, it's skill, it's
14
math,
million.
it's grinding. You can't fake the game when you out here
Maybe-
shining. Profits locked, the smoke's rewinding.
Maybe underwater now.
Kimba gang anthem, perfect timing. Stop, loss, hit, now we wait.
It's not like a huge amount.
Let us smoke while the paper plates. Stack high, ain't no debate. We the ones they fear, the ones they can't stop. Kimba gang supreme, always at the top. Profit in the bag, and we let
It's
the
nothing,
beat
it's
drop.
like
Kimba
11
style,
million.
grind, roar loud, make it pop.
Yeah. There's not really any imbalance. Like, Bybit is being responsible somehow. There goes AVAX, it broke out.
Early morning, sun up, money on my mind. They still sleep. I've been grinding through the night. Check the charts. check
Yeah,
the
we'll watch
plans,
the
check
hourly
price.
close and then I'm gonna
We don't move off
do
hype,
the
we move on
outro.
sight. Yeah,
We pretty much have plans.
look. Yeah.
Wait, where did it go?
Run the levels, do the math. Ain't no luck inside this game. We only move off what we track. They be chasing,
It
they be
didn't break
guessing, they
out
just
on
praying for a snack.
Bananas.
We be patient, we be testing. We ain't jumping in too fast. I don't FOMO, I don't panic. I just
Kusalo.
pivot when it's time. If the setup ain't aligned,
They
then I'm
broke
sitting on the
this.
side. Let 'em chase, let 'em
They want
sweat,
to.
let 'em
That was a
gamble on
that was a
the
nice
jet.
30-minute
We just
candle
build,
though.
we invest, we don't fold,
Earlier.
we finesse. They not like us, they don't playing right.
Yeah, it's holding. If it loses this,
We don't chase moves, we just land right.
like I would even still look for a swing fail there.
They not like us, they don't grind
But
right.
probably that too. That's weak. This is weak. We're in value right now, so a swing fail there makes more sense. If it, like, let's say it doesn't take this high, like that makes me more like feel better about a swing fail there, or like a swing fail and like tapping previous value area high or naked point control down here in like the just under 32. I don't know if it would get all the way down there. It's like 10% at this point. But it's 30% up. Like, you know how these things go. Like, sometimes you get these bouncing balls that it's like high volatility, reducing a little bit more. So you could still get something. NVIDIA is selling. Yeah, people are just hella bullish on AVAX. We need narratives, don't we? Buzzo! Let's go, Buzzo. Big shoutouts to Buzzo. And big cheers to Insistence. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pipeline. Yeah, Buzz. Pink Dino. Let's get it. Hourly close.
Now don't be mad at me. Just
Yeah, don't
cause
be
you
mad at
hit
me.
that stop loss, homie, that's on you, not me.
Homie, that's on you, not me.
Man, I'm stacking all these
Damon.
games. You're out here throwing
Shout out to
shade.
PSG. Much love, PSG. All of you. Yeah.
We juicing moves, got that KIMBA glow.
VV Paz, how are you doing, brother? Yeah, Kirby's.
Sitting still, we're making gains.
Trying to add some Mandalo confidence.
Dreams you can't find. This KIMBA life, it's what we do. Juiced up plans, now we breaking through.
I'm trying, but like, I know you guys have seen this.
Hands on the keys, don't care what you say. I'm grinding
You guys are
24/7,
juicing.
staying sharp with the charts. You can't be mad.
Zach, how you doing, bro?
Apart. Don't be mad at him. Now don't be mad at me. Just 'cause you hit that stop loss, homie, that's on you, not me. I'm just riding waves, man. I'm
There we
stacking
go.
all these gains.
Kusalo, I hope you juice up. Anybody that's trading AVAX, wait, we'll check this like shit coin one more time. I forget what Aster.
The KIMBA gang, yeah, we staying fly. Juiced up, hustle, we touch the sky. Stacking paper,
what the
no time for
fuck
hate.
is
We
this?
moving smart, keep it flowing straight. Why you mad? We just doing us. Can't stop the grind, it's built on trust. Every move we make, it's calculated.
They delisted it. We're wrecked.
Every time you hit that stop, you point my way.
How did it come up like on Binance so quickly before?
I'm grinding 24/7, staying sharp.
Oh man, it did it again. It's fucked the sweep.
You fell apart.
Oh,
Don't be mad at him, now don't be mad at me.
wow.
You hit that stop loss, homie, that's on you, not me. I'm just riding waves, man. I'm stacking all these games. You're out here throwing shade, cause you can't play the game.
Yeah, that might have been it.
We didn't stop the grind, didn't change the way. Now we shining bright, hear what we say. The
Need to hold this.
juice it right while you fumble.
Hold that
moves,
single
we
print.
taking flight. Don't be mad at him, now don't be mad at me.
Whoever just shorted this,
Stop loss, homie, that's on you, not me. I'm just riding waves, man. I'm
you got some balls.
You're out here throwing shade, cause you can't play the game.
Let me get this out of here. Yeah, like right between the 1 point and that 1.3.
Wins, it's built on trust.
It really needs to hold that. Hold that single print. Because you're risking like kind of accepting back in this lower time frame range. And that's so far, like you don't even want to think about it. But if it did come back, like you want to bounce like up here. Somewhere in like the 165, 170. 1.618. Yeah, if we lost it. If we lost this, not that I'm saying that it's gonna happen, because it could just be like, "Fuh-fuh." And even if that happened, I would be like looking for just like kind of the inverse to come back, potentially. That's where your like decision point is.
Slipping up, trying to snooze.
If it comes down here.
Focused on the bag and tools. Yup, wasting time acting fool. Nope, juicing right, prep for wins. Yup, jumping in without no plans. Nope, market
So
trends we
flip a coin.
understand.
I saw some people saying that like, yeah, that's what I'm getting now.
Nope, KIMBA gang, we elevate. Yup,
I just mapped out like any direction that it could go, what to expect for the next move.
infiltrate. Nope, juiced up daily.
I think KIMBA used to do that a whole lot also. You guys didn't really complain about that very much then.
Opportunity appears. Yup, hating peers, we shift gears. Nope, nope, hustle sharp, strategy tight. Yup, risking all with no insight. Nope, we prepared to take that flight. Yup, playing small, that ain't right.
And I'm just some dude
Everybody got focus. We choose for the ground, we stay in our lane.
doing my best for y'all.
Everybody got focus. We prep and we ready, we playing the game. Everybody
Ethan
got
Biddy,
focus.
like sold
Stay locked
Ethan
on a
Biddy.
mission, we stick to the plan. Everybody got focus.
Guys are still holding.
They out here slipping, we taking a stand. But we never
How about
lose
that?
sight. No, 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 no. KIMBA gang,
Yeah, I mean like,
and we keep our hustle tight. No, 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 no.
I'm not telling you to do anything.
If you ain't on the grind like me, no, no, no. KIMBA gang on the rise. We don't care if you don't see.
But I think we're identifying levels pretty well.
Nope.
Some of us are looking at Suey.
Yup, wasting shots, stay in the dark. Nope, playing big.
Yeah, we talked about that
ignite
328,
sparks. Selling
326
dreams
level.
with no heart. Nope, learning lessons, stacking wins.
And it's still holding that
Yup, dwelling where the doubt
consolidation. You get
begins.
above the 340.
Nope, putting work where the dream begins.
Hype needs to get back above
Can't reel it
50.
in. Nope, we
Talked
stay
about
sharp,
that a bunch.
adapt with
And
time.
it took a lower low.
Let excuses cross the line.
And then
On the ground, the stars align. Yup.
ETH
Turning backs for nickels and
doing the same
dimes.
thing,
Stay
holding
in truth,
this.
keep the mind strong. Yup. Follow trends going along. Nope. Lead the way
And
where we belong.
our
Yup.
Biddy
Now you dead
get
wrong.
back up
Nope.
side. that same level. All right, y'all. Bagamani, VV Paz, Benzo, Joman, Damon, Mark CSD, Mark CW, Curvies, Damon, Buzzo. Big shout outs to all of you, Bagamani. Phoenix, much love. Ash Crypto, big cheers. Bobby Toxic Pedals, Anatomy. Yeah. Superman, much love. Big shout outs to all the mods, admins, and to all the developers. Exclamation dashboard for the schedule, exchanges. Big shout outs to you. Shout outs to PSG. Much love to you all. Joe Man, Calling Noob, much love. Appears, Jupy. Yeah. And shout outs to CoinWise. Sebs. Let's go. Alrighty. Happy Tuesday. I'll be back if things go crazy. But we got plans. So, much love.
We don't fear. Get it started, yeah, we coming through. It's a new day, rise and grind. What it do?
Good day, y'all.
Step to the beat like we run this block.
Great Tuesday, and I'll catch you in the morning.
Ain't no sitting back, nah, that's not in the plan. Kimba gang moves silent, but we always stand. Rough with the ground, but the bite is real. Every hustle we touch, yeah, we close that deal. Early bird with the worm, we don't wait for the plate. No debate when we grind, it's sealed with fate. What my Kimba say? Right here.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. Kimba gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, Trey's gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.